folks, is Diego Rosenberg with the Collector Car Network, as well as the lead writer for the ClassicCars.com journal right here. And right here in front of me is a 1957 Chevrolet 150 Utility Sedan. So the 150 is the bottom of the line Chevy, much like a Biscayne from a few years later. And the Utility Sedan is the car without a rear seat for traveling salesmen and people of the trade, like plumbers. So what makes this car even more interesting is what's powering it. Under the hood is a dual quad 283 270 horsepower engine. So what's special about this one, other than the horsepower, is that this is the top carbureted Chevrolet. The only thing above it is a 283 horsepower, 283 with fuel injection. So this car was built to go fast. It's got the vinyl floor mats. Now it has a rear seat installed by the first owner, and also it's got a dealer installed 4-speed, which was not available until 1958, but the original owner put it in this car. So this car is about as maxed out as you'd find for a carbureted 57 Chevy. So this is actually early muscle in the best way possible. So of course, since this is a 150, it's trimmed very lightly. It doesn't have the fancy sweep in the fin that you find in the Bel Air and the 210, but you can see there's still two-toning available, and it's done very nicely and tastefully. And you can also see the side trim is just like a 55 Chevy, even though this is a 57. That's how Chevrolet did it. So otherwise, thank you for watching. Be sure to press subscribe so you can watch more videos like this on AutoHunter.com as well as ClassicCars.com. Thank you.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching our video. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and comment down below your thoughts. Remember, if you want to collect a car of your own, check out our website at ClassicCars.com, which is our online marketplace with over 30,000 listings live on the site. Also, be sure to check out our sister website at AutoHunter.com, which is our 7-day online auction. Thanks again, and we'll see you guys in the next video.